for young people in the crowd, these are fields, these are areas that your new millionaires are auto mechanics. Why? Because we still need people to fix our cars, right? That's one of the areas that I know are the challenges. What's happening at Ford that, you know, can develop the next generation? How can you turn this challenge into an opportunity?
At Ford, we're 100% behind it. I think if you were to Google our CEO, Jim Farley, right now, and you look at essential worker or essential economy, just quick Google, you'll see that's all we're talking about because it's so important. You cannot deliver next generation electrification, next generation autonomy, a flying vehicle without the skilled tradespeople to fix them. Right? So we keep talking about AI's taking jobs, but it's also creating new jobs. It's creating new ecosystems for you to learn, you know, about cybersecurity, to understand how to repair these very complicated vehicles. If I take a vehicle that was built 20, 30 years ago and one now, the level of connectivity, the same auto mechanic could not repair it, right? They could not, because it is a connected vehicle now. And so now as we look at what we have from EVs to connected vehicles, and now possibly our flying vehicle by 2050, you have to create an ecosystem that can support all of that. And that requires people. And it may not be the most glamorous job. I told my daughter the other day, I would be happy if you were an electrician because you will be a millionaire, right? Because when something goes wrong in our house, what all
can't
of us,
YouTube it. You gotta call an electrician.
you can't, AI isn't going to fix it, right? So you have to realize, and I think there's been a lot of lost passion behind, you know, what I call salt of the earth jobs that are doing the work for our economy and that allows us as innovators to keep pressing forward. Never forget that. Never forget that there's a huge market of builders and first responders and farmers and everyone else who are the backbone of our economy. And we need to make sure we're protecting for them as we are continuing to innovate for the next thing. So it's extremely important it's extremely important to me, Jabari, and I just think that everyone should not lose sight of the fact that you can very much so become a millionaire by just learning how to repair a vehicle.
That's right.